Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account and enabling cloud saves. This is critical because PES uses Google Play for its official transfer path. Once done, open PES and Google Play services, update both apps, then enable backup or cloud save from PES settings. This writes your team data to Google. Make sure autosync is on in system settings so the save uploads. If you skip updates, the cloud save may be incompatible, so update first and then create the manual cloud save before you now perform the transfer. On the source device, open PES and choose Upload or Export to Google Play Cloud. Wait until it confirms the upload is complete. Next, on the target device, install or open PES and sign into the same Google account. This links the app to the cloud. Then navigate to the PES data transfer menu and pick Google Play as the source. The app will list available cloud saves. Once it detects the upload, select the correct team and start the import to apply your roster and progress. You finish by verifying that your team, coins, and progress appear correctly. Check menus and match data to ensure everything transferred. If something looks missing, sign out and back into Google on the target, clear PES cache, then resync and attempt the import again. This forces a fresh cloud fetch. If the cloud save still fails or shows an older timestamp, contact Konami support with your account details and the exact upload time. That helps them recover or reconcile conflicting saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.